Hello friends, today I'll show you what to do if you're not receiving a verification code from Facebook. So we have a few options for this. First, you need to go into settings and find Facebook and then try to reset it. Yes, go to Facebook. Or you can do this through general iPhone storage, and here's Facebook. And then tap the offload app button. There, or just delete it. There. After that, download it from the App Store. Go to the App Store and download it or update it. Here, update. So update it, and if needed, restart your phone. After restarting, everything should work. This has been. See you all later.